So hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add a second store on Shopify. Once on your Shopify admin page, all you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see My Store. You're going to tap on that. Then you're going to select All Stores. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page, and from here you can see the current store that I have. Now to create a second store, all you'll need to do is tap on Create Store. After you have tapped on Create Store, from here you could fill out this information or you could tap on Skip All. Then you'll tap on Next. After doing that, you can select the email address that you would like to use. Once you have done that, you can select the email address once more, and you can see that Shopify is building my store right there. Once they have built out the store, you will now have a second store, as you can see right here. So I have this second store that we have just created, and if I were to tap on My Store in the top right hand corner, you can see the first store right here. So I could tap on the first store and you can see it right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.